Want to make dry achaari aloo at home? Let's make this delicious recipe in just a few simple steps. To prepare the achaari masala, add whole coriander seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, yellow mustard seeds, and dried red chilies to a pan. Dry roast the spices on medium heat until they become fragrant. Let the roasted spices cool completely. Heat oil in a kadhai over medium heat. And cut the boiled potatoes into medium-sized pieces. Now, add the potatoes to hot oil and let them cook for some time. Meanwhile, grind the roasted spices into a coarse powder. Sprinkle some kalonji, prepared achaari masala, cumin powder, black pepper powder, dry mango powder. Add salt to taste. Mix everything well and fry it until they become golden and crispy. Now squeeze the juice of one fresh lemon over the potatoes. Give everything a final mix and cook for another 2 minutes on medium heat. Once done, transfer the achaari aloo to a serving bowl. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and green chilies. That's it. Your flavor-packed achaari aloo is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please take care. See you in the next one.